YouTube. So I'm gonna make a video to give you an idea, a short video actually, to give you an idea of how to drive and keep straight in the lane. Most of my students have a lot of problems, initially at least. New students have a big problem keeping the car straight. Right? There are a couple of factors that can affect whether or not the car goes straight, right? The main factor would be mechanical. Maybe your car needs an alignment. So if your car needs an alignment, it will drift one way or the other, right? So barring the fact that it might need an alignment, or one of your tires, right or left front tires, might be underinflated. If it is underinflated, then the car will drift, right or left, depending on what tire is underinflated. So say your car is in good condition, everything is fine the way it should be, you want to hold the wheel like this. If you're holding the wheel like this, that's the best position to be in. And then you would just keep the car straight by looking in the center of the lane. If you're looking in the center of the lane, the car will generally stay in a straight line, right? Just keep in the center. Do not stiffen up on the wheel, because when you stiffen up, you will drift one way or the other depending on which side you're putting the most pressure on, right? So I'm gonna stop here, and then I'm gonna move up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go straight across, and you will see the car goes straight. As long as you keep looking straight ahead, look in the center of your lane. Do not look to the side, or the side here. Look to the center of the lane, and it'll keep you going straight down the road. Hand position like that, one here like that, and do not stiffen up. Just relax. The more relaxed you are, actually, the easier it is to keep the car in a straight line. When you're tense, the car will drift right or left depending on which side you're holding the stiffest, right? When you're driving, relaxing is the only way to do it, really. When you're nice and relaxed, then driving is actually quite easy. So again, to keep the car straight, and you want to be on your right side, you look in the center of the lane, right? If you're looking in the center of the lane, it is much easier to keep the car in a straight line, right? Always look in the center of the lane, hold the car in a proper driving position, and relax. Do not stiffen up on the wheel, because if you stiffen up, it'll pull it one way or the other. All right, thanks for watching. I hope I've been helpful, and as usual, I want you to continue to support the channel, like the video, and subscribe. Thank you.